subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Mi Note 10 last year, Xiaomi is now all set to launch its another flagship smartphone called Mi 10. Earlier, there were several leaks and rumors about the Xiaomi Mi 10, and now a latest leak has spotted on German online store that shows the smartphone design with full specifications and pricing. According to the listing, the Xiaomi Mi 10 will feature a 6.57-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with curved edges and has 90.8% screen-to-body ratio. The screen is set to support 90Hz refresh rate, and on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 6. Under the hood, the phone will come powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset paired with Adreno 650 GPU. The device will pack with 12GB of RAM and 256 or 512GB of inbuilt UFS 2.1 storage. In terms of camera, the Mi 10 will feature a quad camera setup on the rear that will include a 64MP main camera plus 12MP ultra-wide-angle lens plus 8MP telephoto lens and a 2MP macro lens. For selfies, there will be a dual camera setup at the front, which will house a 32MP main camera plus 8MP wide-angle camera. The smartphone is set to run on Android 10 out of the box based on MIUI 11. The device will come equipped by 4500 mAh battery that will support 66W fast charging via USB Type-C port and up to 40W wireless charging. Additionally, the smartphone is also listed to support an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone is set to include 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, dual GPS and NFC. Now, talking about the pricing. The Xiaomi Mi 10 has been listed to price for 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage variant at $670. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Xiaomi Mi 10 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.